play.
Match memory game.
Yeah, much memory game.
Ito.
So, Jamila, read the mechanics.
Okay, first, at the beginning of the game, place all game cards on the base.
Ito yung card. Ito yung card.
Number 2, players
Yung
begin
base.
to memorize the image on the card
Yeah.
until the hourglass runs out.
Okay, this is the glass. This is our timer.
Cover all the image with lids.
So, this is the leads. Ito yung
The
pang-cover.
youngest player starts the game.
Yeah.
A player removes 2 lids at a time
Okay.
based on their memory. If 2 images are identical or complementary, the player gets to keep these 2 lids.
Guys, this game ay maganda kasi matatest yung inyong memory. Maganda to sa mga bata tsaka sa matatanda. Para hindi tayo magkaroon ng Alzheimer, ha? Kayo mga matatanda dyan, mga katulad ko, magganito tayo. Para hindi tayo magka-Alzheimer. Go, next. Dyan. Okay na?
Yes, that's the old mechanic.
Okay. Nabasa mo na lahat ng mechanics. Okay, Francis, ha? Lalo yung mga maedad na katulad ko, pag ganito tayo ng game. Kasi, pangpatalas ng memorya. No?
Yes!
Pero mag-start kami sa pamamagitan ng bato-topic para kung sino sa amin dalawa. Unang
Kasi,
ang huhula ng mga nasa cards na to. Go, game!
Okay, guys. Rock, paper, scissors.
Okay, magbaba-topic muna kami dahil doon tayo mag-start. So, bato-topic para kung sino mauna sa amin dalawa ni Jamela. Go!
Okay.
Bato-pick. Of course, una ako. Kasi bato-pick queen talaga kami dalawa. Okay, una ako. So,
I will go turn na. Hey!
huwag ka na tumalikod. Ako na lang, hindi mo na kailangan tumalikod. Nakatalikod ako. Kukunin ko ng patalikod. Ito guys, kukunin ko ng patalikod yung aking cards na ilalagay dito. Ting! Ito yung card code, guys. Ito yung card ko. Okay?
Okay, go.
Asan na yung And then, ilalagay
Here.
dito. Yan.
Okay, guys, I'm not
Lalagay
cheating,
dito.
okay? I'm not cheating.
Ako yun. O yan, guys. Nandito na yung card. Ito yung card. Tapos ito yung mga iaangat namin para
Leads.
mamimili kami. Ito yung mga leads. Okay? O go, jump. Yan
You
mo na yan.
first.
Kaya nga, yan mo na yung orasan ko, yung timer ko.
So, let's put it.
Yung timer. Mamaya na, hindi pa ako nagsisimula. Umaandar na yung timer.
Okay.
Okay, ako na magaganito. Ay, hindi, ikaw pala maganito. Go. Dili para,
I'm gonna move a fork.
yan.
Okay. Are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Set, go! Oh, it's a fruit.
Prutas ba to?
Yeah.
Ubas. Ayun. Okay. Okay.
Mommy got 2 points. Because,
Okay.
you're cheating!
No, I'm not. Okay.
Maybe I don't wanna win this, bro.
Hindi, no?
No. I know it already.
Ayun. Yan. Meron pa akong oras.
Yes, go!
Ito nga. Ay!
Yes!
I won! Nakuha ko lahat. Guys, nakuha ko lahat yan. Nakuha ko lahat.
It's
Okay?
my turn!
Jamela's turn.
Okay. Okay, guys, I will pick some cards.
Patalikod ka, Jamela.
No cheating.
Dito talikod ka yan. Okay.
Wait.
Okay. Okay, yan. Okay. Huwag mong titignan. Okay, go. Lagay mo na doon, lagay mo na. Yan.
No cheating!
Oh.
Mommy's memorizing!
Okay ha. Pakita mo na na okay ka na. Okay na yung sa'yo. Yan. Si Jamela naman ang susunod. Ito yung timer niya. Ito. Okay, ready?
Wait, you're...
Ready? Ready, get,
So
set.
guys, I pick it now.
Okay, ready, get, set, go.
Oh, it's an animal. Yes, I got now two. I got two.
Okay.
Mm,
Ay, oh,
No,
no.
no.
Bubuksan, dahan-dahanin mo lang. No cheating.
I'm not kidding. Oh, I have so many. I have many time. I won! I won, guys! I
Okay.
won!
Jamela won. Won din siya. Nanalo din si Jamela.
I have so many timers.
Okay. Oh, dahil sa pareho kami nanalo ni Jam, isang game, isang round lang kami dahil sa pareho kami nanalo ni Jam. Siyempre panalo kami, pareho kami nanalo. Ganito na lang, ang pinaka-tiebreaker namin dalawa ay magbabato pick na lang kami dalawa. Kung sino yung mananalo sa amin ngayon sa bato-bato pick, kakagatin ng tenga.
No!
O, game, game,
No!
game.
It's
Go!
5.
O, sige, game. 1, 2, 3, go. Bato, pick. Okay, 1. Bato, pick. Okay, 1, 1. Bato, pick. 2, 1. Bato, pick. Bato, pick. 2, 2. Bato, pick. Bato, pick. Bato, pick. Bato, pick. 3, 1. 3, 2. Bato, pick. 3 all. Bato, pick. 4. Bato, pick. Bato, pick. Kagatin ko tayo.
No!
Daya mo. Okay guys, maraming salamat sa inyong lahat. This is your channel, SC Mix.
Vlog.
Lagi niyo po kami panoorin. Maraming salamat sa inyong lahat. Thank you.